in New York State, and this is what the weather looks like right now for the storm that they're talking about crossing the country. My wife is driving, and she's doing pretty good. She looked pretty good, and I'm grateful to God that we're making it to where we got to go safely. But if it gets nastier than this, I'll give you an update on what it looks like, because we know we had winds earlier that was very strong, and they say that it's supposed to be pretty bad, and the temperature is 12 degrees. So we're working on some storm fronts coming around. Be blessed, be safe.